Alright, hey, this is Hans the Ramen Raider coming at you with another episode of Instant Noodle Recipe Time, the show where I show you what to do with your instant noodles. And today I've got one that came out of an exotic nudes box. Go to exoticnudes.com, that's exotic Noods.com. Use the coupon code the Ramen Raider to get yourself a nice little discount. This is Menraku Yakisoba. Is it upside down? No, it's right there. With umami sauce. So, I'm gonna make this in a pot because I can. A lot easier. But you could make this at your place of employ pretty easily. You just need some hot water. How the heck is everybody doing today? I'm doing really good. It's Wednesday, December 23rd, 2020. Okay. I'm going to take the noodle block, drop it in water. It says garnish. I'm wondering if it's ultra garnish. We shall see. Yeah, that can go in there with it. And give it a little submersion really quick. And this is gonna go for 3 minutes. Yeah. So let's quickly do our quote from Momofuku Endo Speaks, the book where the guy who invented instant noodles has a lot of stuff to say. Number 132. What makes a genuine leader is whether one has virtue as a person. I like that. So, yeah. So it's Wednesday. On Wednesdays, I always talk to my brother, Moshe. He lives in Jerusalem. I found out about him because my wife got me an Ancestry DNA test. I was hoping I was slightly Asian. No, not at all. But as it turned out, long story short, my mom and dad, they were a couple before they got married. She got pregnant. Didn't want... they... out of wedlock, long story short, kid got put up for adoption. Didn't know about it until like a year and a half ago? 2 years ago? 2 years ago, yeah. So, I have a brother and 9 nieces and nephews. And I got to talk to another one for the first time today. His name is Yitzhak. How you doing, man? He lives in Grodno, Belarus, and he's a rabbi. Pretty cool dude. Yeah, it's a trip. It just blows my mind, you know. I'm Uncle Hans. What's up with that? I don't know. It's nice though. It's really nice. Nice people. Yeah. So, this is the 23rd, so it's Christmas Eve, I believe. This is the second one. Yesterday I did 5 episodes. Today, I think I'm probably going to do 4. That's a lot. You didn't know. That's a pretty unruly amount of reviewing to do. Actually, these aren't reviews. What this is taking stuff that I've reviewed in the past that I don't want to, like, just chuck it. But it's like, I'm just doing that. So I can get ahead on episodes of Instant Noodle Recipe Time. And I've got so many, I'm, like, today I published, 4 posts? And I'm still like 120 reviews ahead. So there you go. But yeah. But it's been a good day so far. And now we're gonna do up some yakisoba. We gotta drain it. Let's do that. The last one I did was a dry noodle. Well, it didn't have any broth. There we go. So here it is, and then we just add the liquid to it. And then we have yakisoba. Liquid time. Been really lucky. I've been getting some decent light in the last couple days. I know that ain't gonna last. Because once it gets cloudy, that's it. That makes it really hard. I mean, yeah. Stirring the yakisoba sauce. So we were going to be joined by Matthew Bella yet again in this episode, but he's actually preparing some fancy foods to bring over for our Christmas celebration. Let's give this stuff a try. The umami sauce. Salty and a little smoky, but not bad. So I started making my own yakisoba. I just get the otofuku sauce, and then I get some fresh noodles at the store, and then just start loading it with veggies and meat. And it's really easy to do, especially if you got a house full. Oh yeah, I just sit there and I start yelling in the kitchen, making a lot of noise. It's fun. Yakisoba is really easy to make, and it's a real crowd pleaser, so if you want to please a crowd of people, make yakisoba. They'll be like, oh my god, that's so good, it's so tasty. What's the recipe? Put junk in a pan, cook it, add the noodles to it, get it all good, and then add a crap load of sauce, and stir it up and you're done. It's quick, too. Yeah. Chicken yakisoba, shrimp yakisoba, beef yakisoba. This will be beef yakisoba. Some spring onion. And I'm going to use some beef. It's not the same as when you get it at the place. Those noodles are better. But this isn't bad. It's, you know, it's really not hard to doctor up an instant yakisoba and make it pretty good. Yeah. All right. Now. Here we go. It's time to make this happen. Okay. Ladies and gentlemen, my daughter Mimi in the background making a lot of noise. She was very unhappy last night. I think she was just like way too tired. But she like got probably tired from making so much noise all day. She doesn't care. All day long. All day long. constant noise making. You talk about people who like the sound of their own voice. That's my daughter. You're lucky you're cute, Mimi. There's some sesame seeds. And some crushed red pepper. Organic crushed red pepper. Yay! Oh, snap. There is one thing that a lot of people don't know about with yakisoba that is like the absolute must-have for yakisoba. You know what that is? That's mayonnaise. So here's what I do. If you're a long-time watcher of the show, you can skip this part because you already know what I'm gonna do. So, just hang out and watch it. So you take your mayo, you take your Ziploc, and then open up the corner, dump a bunch of mayo in. You're gonna waste food here. So if that's too much for you, well, Now zip it off. And now right in the corner, I'm gonna cut that corner right off. Get it? Man, I need new kitchen scissors. I think we got it. And now, you kind of use it just like a, I don't know what you call it, piping gun? Piping gun. Mayonnaise. Are you ready? Make sure you can see this. I'll put something else on in a moment, Mimi. Then you will watch that. So just go like when you look at the packaging for a lot of these things, they look really cool. It's like people do art all over their yakisoba. And that's how you do it. Voila! Yeah. Let's allow Rotato to work its beauty magic. This is not a flower.
This is a flower.
Okay.
See? This is a flower.
Okay, Mimi. Let's allow Rotato to rotate with a different song. Yeah, yakisoba with mayo. It's like, you see a lot of the trays that have that already set up. This one doesn't have it set up, but I mean, hey, everybody's got some mayo, I hope. Don't use Miracle Whip. Never. That's not mayo. That's sacrilege. And it's not even sacrilegious, so don't do it. Alright, go to Instant Noodles the Ramen Raider on Facebook and join the group. If you do it, you'll be joining over 3,000 others who enjoy instant noodles every day. Maybe, I don't know. But some trippy people in there, so be one of them. And yeah, this has been Oz the Ramen Raider wishing you enjoyment of your noodles. Like, subscribe, comment, be well. Have a good one. Bye-bye.